It's been only 3 working days of 2023, and in the last 2 days, so much has happened in the world of business and personal finance. And today too, that trend continues. Hello and welcome to Money Time at Money9. I'm your host Ajay, and let's begin today's personal finance bulletin with some big updates on gold. The yellow metal extended the New Year's gain by edging closer to its all-time high levels. Today, the price of 10 gram of 24 karat gold jumped more than 400 rupees. At 4 p.m., it was trading at 56,140 rupees. According to experts, the yellow metal is witnessing safe haven demand at the start of the new year. Gold broadly has been in a bullish trend since October last year on the back of recession fears. Gold is now expected to give healthy returns in 2023. Up next, we move on to some news that may disappoint government employees. The government has kept the interest rate of General Provident Fund unchanged at 7.1% for the March quarter of FY23. This rate will remain in force till March 31, 2023. After the RBI had raised the repo rate to 6.25%, it was expected that the government would raise PF rates as well. But the government's decision is likely to sadden government employees. Few days ago, the government had raised interest rates on few small saving schemes in the country. Up next, we move on to real estate, or should I say an NBFC that supports real estate financing. ICICI Housing Finance Company has launched special scheme rates on fixed deposits. Citizens can now get as high as 7.7% on FDs of 65 months, and on FDs of 1 year, depositors will get 7% interest rate. Additional interest of 0.25% will be given to senior citizens. ICICI HFC is a AAA rated NBFC. And sticking on with real estate, the Noida Authority is selling a total number of 338 flats across Noida Township. Now the prices have been segmented as per low income, middle income and high income groups. The price of low income group flats starts from 45 lakh rupees, while the price of middle income group flats starts from 66 lakh rupees, and that of high income group flats starts from 1 crore 39 lakh rupees. Interested flat buyers can apply to buy Noida Authority flats till January 31, 2023. These flats are located in Sector 52, 62, 71, 99, 118 and 135. And up next, the news is for mutual fund investors. The NFO of Axis Mutual Fund's new Gilt Plus SDL Index Fund will commence for subscription from January 5, 2023. The NFO will close on January 16. It is an open-ended target maturity index fund. The scheme will invest in debt instruments and other money market instruments like treasury bills and government securities. The fund will be passively managed. The minimum application amount is 5,000 rupees and it has no exit load. So what are you waiting for? Hurry! Up next, we move on to the world of automobiles. Already we have seen a lot of car companies raising its prices, and up next, French automobile company Citroën too has increased the prices of its vehicles by up to 50,000 rupees. Citroën has two models in India, the C3 and the C5 Aircross. It has increased the price of the C3 by 27,500 rupees and that of C5 Aircross by 50,000 rupees. C5 will now cost 37.17 lakh rupees, while the price of C3 will start from 5.98 lakh rupees. It has increased the prices because of the rising input cost pressures and regulatory requirements announced by the government. Almost, as I said in the beginning of the bulletin, all automobile companies have announced an increase in prices from the beginning of the new year. Not only automobiles, even the prices of staple food rice have gone up by up to 50% in the last 1 year. The price of basmati rice has increased to about 105 rupees per kg. Even broken basmati rice is available at more than 50 rupees per kg. According to experts, there has been a huge demand for Indian basmati rice in the international market. And adding to that, paddy yield has also decreased in the last 1 year, and looks like food inflation will continue to trouble the citizens like you and me. And next news is for stock market investors. Market benchmarks Sensex and Nifty tumbled 1% on Wednesday amid continuous foreign fund outflows. The 30-share BSE Sensex slumped 1.04% to settle below 60,600 points, while the broader NSE Nifty settled below 18,100 points. From the Sensex pack, Tata Steel, Tata Motors, Wipro, Power Grid, Infosys, HDFC Bank, Reliance Industries and HDFC were the major laggards. International oil benchmark Brent crude dipped almost 2% and was trading near $80 per barrel. And moving on to some corporate news, the NCLAT on Wednesday directed Google to pay 10% of the total penalty imposed by Fair Trade regulator CCI. Google has to pay a total penalty of 1,337.76 crore rupees to the CCI for alleged abuse of its dominant position in the market. The tech giant said that CCI's order was a setback for users in India and it would make Android devices more expensive in the country. Google had then moved NCLT against the CCI order. The appellate tribunal will decide on it only after February 13, 2023. And speaking of smartphones, Xiaomi is all set to launch Redmi Note 12 series smartphones in India on January 5. The China-based company will launch 3 smartphones under the Redmi Note 12 series. The high-end variant among the lot will be Redmi Note 12 Pro plus 5G. According to 91mobiles.com, its expected price is 25,090 rupees. It sports a 200MP primary camera and a 16-megapixel front camera. It has 12GB RAM and up to 256GB of storage capacity. Other striking features are Gorilla Glass and 3.5mm headphone jack. It will come in blue, white and black colors. And we wrap up today's Money Time with some news on the economy. After manufacturing sector of the country reported an impressive growth in December 2022, the service sector too joins the bandwagon as it made a 6-month high in the same month. S&P Global India Services PMI Business Activity Index has risen to 58.5 in December. According to S&P Global, more jobs were created in December, though inflation remains a concern. However, service sector outlook for 2023 remains robust. Well, that's all for today here on Money Time at Money9. Download the Money9 app and stay tuned to Money9 English's YouTube channel. This is me, Ajay, signing off. Take care, stay safe, and good night.